Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and like, share and comment, okay? And to you all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. You're highly welcome. Please like the video, share and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, all right? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support me, okay? You guys are the best. Thank you for always. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious yummy banana cake or banana bread you're seeing here. So if you want to know how I made this, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe, okay? This cake is so yummy and the video is well detailed and easy to make. So guys, let's get started. These are the ingredients I use to prepare this yummy banana bread. I have my half cup of sugar here. In here, I have a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. I have my half cup of milk. I have my ripe bananas. You can use bananas wrapper than this, okay? I have my 1/4 cup of melted butter. I have my 1.5 cup of flour. I'm using the all-purpose flour. And I have my vanilla essence in here. I'll be using 2 eggs to make this banana bread. 2 whole eggs to prepare this banana bread. So guys, we are going to start now by mashing our banana. Our banana is mashed now. I will go ahead now to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Into my mashed bananas, I'll be adding in 2 whole eggs to this. I'm going to whisk this. Then I'll add in my milk. I'll go in with my melted butter. I'll add in my sugar now. I'm going to mix this. I'll mix everything until it's well combined. I'll add in my 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then I'll mix this and combine all the ingredients together. Our wet ingredients is ready. I'll go ahead now to add up my dry ingredients. And in my bowl, I already have my 1.5 sifted cup of flour. I'll go in now with my baking soda and my salt. My hands are neat, guys. So I'm going to mix this well until all the mixture is combined, all the ingredients are well combined. Then I'll add in my wet ingredients now into my dry ingredients. So now I'm going to fold everything together. I'll fold them in together, okay? There's no point to over mix your batter. Just fold it in just the way I'm doing, okay? So now guys, our butter is ready. I'll be using foil paper for this. I'm going to butter this now and I'll dust it out with my flour. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my butter into my foil, and now our butter is ready to be baked. I'll put this in the oven now and I'll bake it. And guys, look what we have. Our yummy banana bread is ready. This is what our bread is looking like, looking so beautiful and so yummy. This cake came out so yummy. Okay, you're going to enjoy this. I bet you're going to enjoy it, and your kids will love it too. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you be trying out this recipe? And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, do not forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel, and please do not skip my ads. Okay, always watch my ads. Thank you guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.